Now
Yes. Soft inside. Don't pull, just steady. And now let him go down this way. Just give him a little rein. Low. Low. Yes. Beautiful. And breathe it out.
there you go, Alice. Yeah. That's it.
Steady. Relax in your leg. Allow him forward. You're a little bit, if you hold it too much, he's going to get anxious.
If he's doing the right speed, then you can leave him be slightly.
Okay. Don't pull on him when he's being good. Now breathe. Just let him move. Low.
And halt him back now.
There. Huh?
There. Now she needs to be able to take him back to forced transitions to slow total to walk.
Softer hand. Take him to a walk. Walk, sit.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then breathe out to get him to supple up.
Pat him on his neck.
Good. Reverse.
Touch him on his neck.
He doesn't know that.
Teach it to him.
And now go into slow toe. Don't hold him back too long. And steady rein. Down.
She looks like short for a minute. That's better.
That's very nice, Alice. Steady. Steady. Don't let him go. Hold.
Yeah, and always look down the track where you're going next, Alice.
Say what? Look where you're going. Steady down.
There. Look at when her hips get loose.
Keep moving in this speed.
See when her hips start moving forward with him, then he settles in a little better.
Yeah. Soft. Softer your inside him. Don't let him go. Your slow speed. That's very nice.
There you go. Nice. Now he's dancing.